with the prayers of His Holiness Pope Tawadrous II, and the prayers of His Grace Bishop Peter, and by virtue of our beloved Saint Pope Kyrillos' prayers, and with your prayers and support, we started the first stage of the new church construction. Yet, there is still a long and extravagant way to complete God's work and build His house. With God's grace and your continued support, we are praying to our Lord Jesus Christ to finish the construction of Pope Kyrillos VI Coptic Orthodox Church in Aldie, Virginia, as soon as possible, and to be open daily for praises and liturgies for Pope Kyrillos lovers. To donate, please go to our website or contact us through our address or phone shown on the screen.